Take a photo of your receipt by clicking the plus button at the bottom and selecting the camera button from the drop-down menu. No matter how old or worn out your receipt is, our application will detect your receipt and make it ready. You can change the fields such as category, cost center, VAT, date, institution by clicking on your receipt, which has the status of ready, enter additional fields and add a description. Enter the Forms tab at the bottom of the screen. Click the Start Process button and create an expense form. Enter your form name. You can access your pending receipts in ready status by clicking on the bottom right. You can add the receipts to your expense form and send them for approval. Your administrator can access the form you sent from the approval section. Administrator can see the details of the expense. Can approve or reject.